this is the dressing room. Zoom out. That is a great space. Inside of it. All right. You guys are going to be selling these like crazy. This is just remarkable. It's brilliant. I mean, for the amount of space you're working with, I'm just really impressed.
And as I say, we've been waiting to bring this boat in for a long time. It was a little bit delayed.
Yeah.
And now the production's back up and running.
Yep.
And as I say, it's the first one in the US.
And for the price point, the choices of your faucet, like everything for the price point, it's amazing. Like this, the hardware on your door, beautiful. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. Well done.
Thank you, Greg.
Oh, wow, look at this. Louis' costume.
Right.
It's like people Jenga.
Yeah.
Look at this cockpit on a 37-foot boat. It's incredible. I've seen 50-foot boats that don't have that.
You thinking about buying a boat? Absolutely.
I'm so impressed with the quality of the hardware and the fit and finish, especially at this price point. I mean, like the hardware on your doors and the way the doors are built, it's just
blows the competition away.
I mean, it feels solid. They're not looking at $1 million boats. You know, it's just, you know, it's not like a reasonable purchase for, you know, most people, but this feels like so attainable.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you know.
Because you can buy this boat in the low 500s, delivered into America, or pick it up in Tunisia in the low to mid 400s.
That's amazing.
Then you sail it over yourself or get somebody to sail it over with you.
It's
and this boat in America with the other brands are in the 625 to 650 range.
Yep.
As you know, you're following.
I am. I've been doing my homework.
Give it to me like.
Cooker, space position for the microwave, gas stove there. If you wish, you can have a dishwasher fitted as well in the cupboard there, but we
That
don't.
would be a yes.
We don't on this one.
That is a remarkably good use of space, and the headroom's pretty. Like my husband's 6'4", and so
I'm 6'3", so
yeah, you've got the headroom that you need.
And then I'll take you down to the guest side because a lot of people pass it. Again, helm station, everything's controlled. Underneath is the battery charger, so if you open the cupboard and look in from the side.
Be able to sell when we start selling pads and charter that over. But when we start selling them, we wanted that's like
See all the breakers and the battery charger is a little bit round to the left.
See it? Yep. Nice.
Well, that's what we thought.
I'm a big fan of having things as centralized as possible. Like because I have some breakers that are on one side and I have some breakers that are on the other side, and they're not always intuitive.
12 volts here, and underneath in the cabinet down there will be the 110, and there's some fuses for the air conditioning and the 12-volt system and stuff. Batteries are under the floor here.
Nice. Central location, well balanced.
The stairs, as we go down, this is the guest area. We've got this little small rebirth at the front. I wouldn't class it as a full, but maybe it's a single.
For me, on our boat, that is like my workroom. Like that's where I keep all of my tools and spares and everything like that. And in a pinch, if we had to have extra people, like that's where we would stick them.
I've been on lots of boats where there's been like a workshop up here.
Yep.
Also, if you wanted the generator fitted, you have an option for it to be a small one to go under the bed.
Okay.
In this one, or you can have it up in the lazarette on the top.
Interesting. Yeah, it just depends on where you want the.
And this is.
I'm amazed. I mean, I've got. Switch this around. Look how much headroom I have. That's incredible. On a 37-foot catamaran. Yeah. I mean, it's like when you have a ton of space to play with, it's easy to make it right.
Installed in it.
Do you have to have a shower door?
No, but I think it would help to keep it dry.
Yeah.
I put this little folding one that goes across to the side.
Yeah, apparently. I can fit in here. See if I can fit in here with my backpack on. I can fit.
It's
Yeah.
huge.
It's amazing.
I fit in there. Look at the size of it.
Well, I was going to say, it's nice to have a boat that's American sized. Like Americans are just big.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we're big. So,
I mean, I've worked on lots of fontaines and lagoons and stuff over the years. And I've had people come home, could get off the end of the week on charter with bruises.
yeah, because you cannot get through it. So, what's down here? Just access to the bilge?
Access to the bilge and pumps and the shower drain pump goes down there.
Okay.
And then there's fuel tanks and water tanks under these two.
Right.
You've got direct
That's where,
access.
yep, I have my fuel tanks under right about there too.
The windows, there's a safety hammer. I'll show you on the other side. I actually don't think I put it, but it is. It's not in the gauge there. But basically break
That's
the windows.
where it lives.
Break the windows to get out if
Yep.
it's upside down.
Yeah, that's bigger though. It's funny, we make the joke that that my husband would be a plug for our windows because he's not making it out too, he's too big. So
And
that one's
all
a
of these,
that one's a
all
big
of
one.
these on bolts and come out.
Yeah.
Nice and easy on quick bolts.
Nice.
Thank you. That's why I'm standing here.
So there's a lot of people who think that that's actually a liability versus a safety feature. Where is the Aventura made?
In Tunisia.
Oh, really?
French built company. They moved to Tunisia about 4 years ago and relaunched their brand. And they make they make the 37, a 45, and they make a power cat, 2 power cats as well.
Okay. So that explains the safety hatch, the breakable. That's the EU's mandate.
EU
So
standards.
yeah.
You're gonna love this. Have you ever had a dressing room?
No.
You actually
Not on
you
a
have like a
boat.
walk-in closet on this boat.
Oh way.
Yeah.
It's crazy on
No.
a 37-footer.
And will you check the board? Go ahead. I was gonna say I have a boat, so it's always one hand for the boat anyway. So,
I know, yeah.
Because I do not want to fall. I've fallen into the bilge because I've
I
left
tell you,
the
when I tell
floorboard
people
on.
when we give tours, like on, when we have people that've never been on one, we take people out just for a day.
Yeah.
I'm like, these are not forgiving. Your body is going to crack
Yeah.
with these steps.
Yeah, it's like
So hold on.
one
And I
hand.
said,
for the boat.
believe don't feel so comfortable because you're still moving. People get comfortable.
All it takes is like one wake and off you go
Yeah, exactly. Or down the steps.
down the steps.
So, master bed everywhere. There's actually a wardrobe behind here as well. So you got another cupboard down there for storage, sliding up
This is one of my favorite things on our boat, like the privacy, like when you just kind of need.
to close out from the rest of them
Yeah.
and shut down.
Yeah, like when we lived on board for about a year during the pandemic, my husband was working from the salon and I was working down in here, and it was just nice to be able to have just separation. There's that.
And then master shower door opens either way.
That is the hardware is really nice.
And then the faucet, actually, if you
That's
pull it
brilliant.
out, or you can have it in.
That's brilliant. Oh my gosh.
And then the toilets are all jet flush, so
See you out there.